To be honest, before researching this podcast, I didn't know too much about spontaneous human combustion, outside the pop culture references from shows like The X-Files, South Park, and of course, Spinal Tap. In Spinal Tap, they said that their former drummer spontaneous combusted while on stage. The phenomenon actually dates back to Milan in the late 1400s. However, it wasn't until the 19th century when Charles Dickens used spontaneous human combustion to kill off one of his characters in the novel Bleak House. Dickens received a lot of criticism over this because his contemporaries felt he was legitimizing something that did not exist. In response, he pointed to 30 historical cases that he had researched while writing the novel. Before long, both Mark Twain and Herman Melville also began incorporating spontaneous human combustion into their stories. More recently, and probably most famously, took place in Ireland in 2010. According to the coroner, and this was a real-life coroner-approved case of spontaneous human combustion, to this day it has medical examiners baffled. We'll put a link to the story in the show notes. On December 22nd, 2010, forensics experts found 76-year-old Michael Faherty's badly burnt body near a fireplace in a sitting room with virtually no fire damage otherwise. However, experts concluded that the fire in the fireplace was not the cause of the blaze. So if this was an actual case of spontaneous human combustion, how can it happen? What I found is that the body needs to burn for about an hour, hour and a half to 2 hours at a temperature of 1500 to 3000 degrees Celsius. This will reduce the body mostly to ashes. Because the human body is composed mostly of water, and its only flammable properties are fat tissue and methane gas, the possibility of spontaneous human combustion as an actual phenomenon seems remote. However, it has happened. Many scientists dismiss the idea of spontaneous human combustion, arguing that an undetectable flame source, such as a cigarette or a match, is the real culprit. So I pass it over to you. What do you guys think? Is spontaneous human combustion real? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and if you want to see more content of the weird and bizarre, we release new videos every Monday. Click the subscribe button, that way you can get notified every time we release new content. And remember, being paranoid is smart.